For as long as I can remember, I've had a connection to cancer. When my cousin Amy was 11, she was diagnosed with myelogenous leukemia and needed a bone marrow transplant to survive. Everyone in my family was tested, and we started running bone marrow drives. They never found a match for Amy, but she received an experimental treatment and is now married with her first child, which is awesome. I started the Gift of Life Club with my sister Emily, who graduated from Elon in 2022. And I've been holding bone marrow drives since my first year here. I've swabbed about 1,000 people and have had about 40 matches for transplant. My name is Kaley Katz. I'm a senior at Elon, majoring in biology with a concentration in allied health and foundations of medical sciences. Because of my family experience and as an Elon College Fellow and Lumen Scholar, I wanted to do research within the leukemia field that hadn't been done before. I worked with my mentor, Dr. Train, an associate professor of biology, to investigate ASXL1 protein variations in leukemic cell lines. I've been able to present that research at Elon and at the National Conference of Undergraduate Research. I also had an article about the merits and challenges of genetic testing published in the Genetic Testing and Molecular Biomarkers Journal. In terms of a career, I want to do something that would make a difference. Since I'm very interested in genetics and the molecular side of biology, I hope to become a cancer genetic counselor. It's a hard conversation to tell someone that they're more likely to develop certain types of cancer, but I think that it's important. If you know you're predisposed to certain cancers and you can catch it early enough, you can do something about it.
Open Door Clinic, this is Kaley. How may I help you?
I volunteer weekly at the desk at Open Door Clinic of Alamance County, which helps people who don't have medical insurance. I thought this would be a good experience since I plan to take a gap year after I graduate, and I hope to get a job as a genetic counseling assistant before I go to graduate school to earn a master's in genetic counseling.